Good afternoon, this is Nico Palomino with Interstate Roofing. It's October 27, 2024. We're here at 5152 Parnell Way with the Jackson family performing our first repair attempt on the back slope. As you can see, I've identified the wind damaged tab as well as the shingle we will be removing and replacing. Excuse the background noise. First thing I'm going to do is break the adhesive tar strips so that I can access the nails, remove the shingle, and then slide in a new shingle. Let's see how this goes. As you can see in the video, there was no adjacent damage. So we're going to go ahead and break the tar strips and remove the existing compromised shingle. Avoiding lifting the shingles past 45 degrees, but I do have to lift them to access the nails. Slides right out. careful using my pitch hopper to hold my tripod. Alright. Now we've removed all the nails, we've removed the shingle. You can already see some consequential damage beginning to develop here. I'm going to get some close-up photos as well. You're seeing some various granule loss and creasing beginning to develop because these shingles are rather old and deteriorated. Set this back up. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and place the new shingle. And be careful. Actually, let me take some photos. All right, I'm gonna place the new shingle. Now, I'm using a mag hatch, a tool of our trade. These nails have to go in flush. Like I said, I'm not going to lift the shingles as best I can, not more than 45 degrees, but they do have to go in flush in order to properly secure the shingles. As you can see here, we have more of the same consequential damage. That one especially. Crease. Got creasing here. Crease. Some creasing here. Even some creasing here. Okay. And even some minor creasing being developed here. For context, when you wipe your hands across a shingle that has not been involved in the repair, there should not be any granule loss. The matting of the shingle has been fractured. I did not lift shingles more than necessary, but I did install them properly as we do in our trade. These shingles are unrepairable. I'm gonna go ahead, as you can see, this has failed. I'll go ahead and tarp this up for the customer. Thank you very much.